The best way to sort and filter your worksheet is to use a table format. Let me show you how. Click anywhere within your worksheet where there's data. Choose Insert Table. Make sure My Table Has Headers is ticked and then choose OK. So now it's in a table format. You can tell because of the colors per record. Each row is colored differently. And when you add a new record, which is the row, one row is a record, and press enter, it is then formatted as part of the table. This is true also for columns. When you enter a column header and push enter, then that column becomes part of the table. So you're rest assured every time you enter new data, it will be part of the table format. You'll notice next to each header title is a tab or an arrow down, and that enables you to sort, so sorting by Z to A or A to Z, and also filter. You can take off Select All Data and then choose Specific Data. I've opted to show each record that has Google in the name. Then simply press Select All to get all your data back. In this column, I just want to see what information I need to add, so I've chosen blank, and then that's an easy way for me to add what needs to be in my worksheet. Same with the following column. I just want to see where I need to add more information. Then select all so you can see the data again. The last column of course is all blank because we haven't added any information yet. We can also do find, so selecting find and select, and then typing in a word, find next, and that's finding everything within my worksheet that has Google. You can also do replace, so type in a word where you want to find and then replace it with. So I want every Google occurrence that has lowercase to be changed to a capital. So nice, quick and easy way to find and replace. So that's how you do insert table. Thank you for watching.